How to fix YouTube not working. To know how to fix it, just follow the steps. First, restart your device. Press and hold the power button from your left or right side. Here, you'll notice 4 different options: power off, screenshot, restart or reboot, and emergency. Click on restart or reboot. You can also select power off, but for that, you'll have to manually turn on the phone. After a few minutes, your phone screen will be back again. But if you have chosen the power off option, wait for some seconds and press the power button to restart your phone. After the phone restarts, open the YouTube app and try to play any video you were trying to play earlier. If starting your phone does not succeed in fixing YouTube, the second method is you can try to clear the cache. For that, go to the settings from the drop-down menu of your notification bar or open the settings app directly. Select apps and notifications and find YouTube. Now tap on storage and cache. After that, tap on clear cache. If it's a problem, then the third method is update your YouTube app. For that, simply go to Play Store and search for YouTube, and if it's need to be updated, then simply update. By trying this method, you can simply fix YouTube not working. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.